yesterday's homework has a question about integration of cosecant of x, and I didn't talk about it, but you should know how to do integration of those. Jared, do you have any question on homeworks?
I'll do it tonight.
Okay. Yeah, today is gonna be similar anyway, so fine, because we didn't have time to finish that one.
Yesterday was a 10. Yeah, but it's because he taught us something on Monday.
All right, so wait, what is it? Where's my quick time? All right, there it is. All right, so integration of 10 of x dx. This is a very easy one. Oh, it's not. Where's Rebuff?
Where is he? Was he? He took the test yesterday, right?
Yeah. He really pissed me off right now. But he actually did good on this test.
Yeah.
Like 80.
Okay, me too. I think I know what he was.
Sine of x over cosine of x. So integration of tangent x, you can change it to sine of x and cosine of x. So most of you guys already knew what's u equal to, but Jared, do you know what u equal to in this case? 50-50.
What side of x?
And but why though?
Because you have to take the derivative of it and then you divide it by whatever.
So what is u equal to?
Yes.
You would have guessed. Like, think about like you playing chess. You're playing 2 steps ahead.
The guess comes.
Okay, you got lucky.
No, because it would turn into sine and then you have to divide it, it by the view.
So du equal to negative sine of x dx. So that is gonna be. So sometimes you can just look at this. This is already like this. So it'll be negative du over u. So it'll be negative natural log of cosine of x plus c, and that's the easy one. So integration of secant of x, which is the one that Anthony was trying to do earlier. Now this one is a little bit different. Okay, so this one is, it's like think about chess, playing chess, right? Think about like 20 step away, like you can checkmate somebody 20 steps away. It's very impressive the people who come up with it. Actually, we're gonna look up in a second who come up with integration of secant of x. So integration of secant of x dx, the person who invented kind of sees something that is out there. So he multiplied by secant of x plus 10 of x. And secant of x plus 10 of x dx. Why do you do that? Because if you distribute the top, that's going to be secant square of x plus secant of x 10 of x. And secant of x plus 10 of x dx. And he sees this. And Jared, do you see it? Why do you do that? Look deeper. Stare at it.
Is it a trig identity?
No. Austin, do you remember? This is awesome. That's like his favorite thing to do. Good, but almost there. No. Austin's gonna be Why did he do that? Gotta see it. It's easier than that.
That's not a trigger enemy.
No.
Just you just find out secx cancel. Because you can wait. We know that you would use sub, right? Plus, oh, I see. So you just use sub for secant x plus tan of x.
Why?
Um,
Austin, you say a lot. Every time you ask Austin something, Austin would be like,
God, you gotta load.
huh?
It's like a loading thing
Oh yeah, like the cycling thing.
in his brain when he says that.
What's du?
secant x plus tan of x.
No, secant of x, 10 of x, plus secant square of x.
Oh, du.
Does that look like familiar? Does that look familiar? Yeah. So technically it's du over u, right?
That's what you wanted us to say.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought something else.
No?
I was gonna say.
That's it. That's what integration of the thing is. So it turns out there's a lot of integration. All the trick integration we can do now. So we know integration of sine of x. We know integration of cosine of x now. Right? So let's review a little bit. What is integration of sine of x? Is what? Right? What's integration of cosine of x? Sine of x plus c. What's integration of secant square of x? What is that? Tangent of x. And integration of cosecant square of x dx is going to be negative cotan of x plus c, right? Integration of secant of x tan of x is what? Secant x plus c, and the integration of cosecant x cot of x is equal to
Negative cosecant plus c.
Yeah, so those are all intuitive, but today we just learned integration of tangent of x dx is equal to negative natural log of cosine of x plus c. What will be integration of cotangent of x? What is integration cotangent of x? Mm-hmm. There's no negative sign in the front because this one doesn't need a negative. Because u's on the bottom, so u's equals use sine of x. Now what's integration of secant of x we just discovered? Which is equal to natural log of secant of x plus 10 of x plus c. And the integration of CSC of x dx is going to be equal to negative natural log of CSC of x plus COT of x dx plus c. So we just find all the trig integration already. Just side reminder, how do I take integration of tangent square of x dx? The side reminder, how do I take integration of tangent square of x dx?
Make it.
This is not something on the textbook. Nope, it's not on the textbook. Because there was no derivative is going to give you tangent square of x.
Just sine squared x over cosine squared x, then 1 minus cosine squared x on top. So 1 minus cosine squared x over cosine squared x. And go from there. Really good.
Almost there. I think I could be on the right track. Knowing your identity helps though. What's tangent square of x equal to?
Oh, isn't it the identity?
Yep, it is Pythagorean.
You just tangent x by yes.
Isn't it?
Yeah, or you can just convert us to the Pythagorean identity, right? What's tangent square of x equal to?
Yeah.
Equal to secant square of x minus minus 1, right?
I kind of like.
Yeah, you can do it the other way too.
Yeah, where it's 1 minus cosine squared of x over cosine squared.
But you got a same answer, right?
Yeah.
So I think last year we looked it up like what did you guys look up? Who invented?
This.
Integral of secant function. I didn't read it, but I know there's several ways to do it. Why is all question mark? Huh?
You could block things.
Yeah.
They block Wikipedia.
You gotta project it.
Oh, so it's called Gregory's approach.
Who's Gregory?
So there are multiple people. Gregory is, wait, when is Gregory though?
Wikipedia is not the best way to say it.
Not yet. I don't know why they block the image though. So there was a lot of different approach. There was a Barrow's approach. There was tangent half angle substitution. There's non-standard. Two successful substitution. Oh, they can use cinch and cinch hyperbolic. There's all kind of way to take integration of this. Hold on, let's look at maybe my iPad's block. Maybe let's look at Wikipedia here. Who invent integral of secant of x? So integral of secant function. So obviously there was a lot of yeah, I remember 3 different ways. I thought like Gregory's approach is probably the best, but there was all different ways. Oh, I know this way. I learned this in competitions. That's pretty wild. Hyperbolic form. So this is a Gregory's approach. I don't know when he invented it though. It doesn't say.
James Gregory. I think.
Where?
Bottom.
Where?
The highlight.
This one? No, that's not James Gray. No, this is James Gray. 1668. So it's before Rolle's theorem. Yeah, so that's pretty crazy. That to come up this, it's pretty impressive. So there's obviously a second way to do it. This is a pretty cool way. I think Daniel might enjoy this way. Split. Oh yeah, we can do this. I feel like we can do this.
Wait, he just did the wait. Oh,
For what reason?
it looks like
We can do that. We can do this like maybe like one more month when we learn about partial fractions.
is
Oh, this would be a pretty cool extra credit question.
Oh, extra credit question?
let me see. Why would you for the step cosine theta 1 minus sine squared theta?
Yeah. And just
Oh, because it's one arctan is 1/1 plus.
Yeah.
Okay.
and this is called decompositions.
Yeah, how does he do that?
Huh?
What like rule is that?
This
Yeah.
we're gonna learn that in Calc 2. It's called decomposition. But in pre-calc, you're supposed to learn how to decomposition. Do you learn that in Chaparral's class?
Maybe, but
Decomposition, like for example, 1/x²-1, you can break up to two different things. So what he did is break up to two different things is 1/1 plus u plus 1/1 minus u. If you add those two together, it's gonna be 1/1 minus u squared. But there was a way to do that. It's called decompositions. It's called decomposition of fractions. You should learn that in pre-calc. They teach that in pre-calc. A long time ago, I teach that in pre-calc, but not anymore. Kids are not bright enough to get that far.
a few weeks because you get the content afterwards.
Well, I think I mean teaching her is not a big deal, but yeah, it's up to you. Tapa can teach her too. Tapa is good.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, this is very cool. I've never seen this way, and this is using half angle substitution. There's a lot of look. One integral has like 6 different ways to do it.
Yeah.
Like, who come up with this stuff? Mathematicians like crazy. They even use something. What the hell is this? I don't even know what it says. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 way to take integration. So yeah, you're asking like what kind of things out there?
Yeah.
There's a lot of things out there. Just look up MIT integration B.
Oh,
It's just crazy. Those people can come up and they write so fast. You can barely understand them. But yeah, if you go to MIT, that's the kids that you're competing with. So anyway, so yeah, we're gonna finish. We only finished this far, so I'll just close the rest of the homework.
People, like the U-holes tend like to get like perfect scores. What do you see those people doing later on in the future?
I don't think they have too much future.
Like they just become engineers or like.
No, I see. No, what I see is like they are just trained robots. They are not trained like to enjoy so there was a Chinese professor in Harvard, and he says something like very very crucial. He says something like, "I hate to take those kids. If I would have bet money on the kids, I would bet money people are literally." He say that he say a white, American, a Russian, a French, and he says I won't bet on Chinese person because you training how to solve all those problems, and you be installed into one way to do things,
Yeah.
and you just become a machine when you're doing that, and you lost the creativity of the math, what math's supposed to be. Like the people who come up with this, they didn't do thousands problem. They look at that one problem and they stare at it for a long time, and you think about what possible way can break through. Nobody teaching the method. It's like playing chess. Like you know how you're playing a system. You just learn how to play that system.
Yeah, but once you get out of the system, like
Exactly. So like Magnus, you can see Hikaru. I don't know if you saw one of the competition he did. He did every possible single opening on the pawn. He moved every single pawn. Different person will be like how like he moved pawn from the corner
yeah,
all the way to the A3. He move up one, and then the second opening will be move up two, and the third opening would be B3 and B4 and C3 C4. And they're like the people have no prep for Hikaru because he doesn't matter what opening he can play. He knows how to figure out how to play stuff. And that's what I think about Hikaru and Magnus are different beasts compared to every other person out there. Every other person in there, they just know how to train to see different things. Especially now, internet players, they just memorize all the possible opening.
yeah.
And I feel like that's what those Behold kids is. They lost like overall to figure out at the end, like what it's going to be. I just think about Hikaru and Magnus are really just different. I mean, the stuff they come up with is, I don't know. I saw Gotham Chess just post something the other day was how Hikaru like checkmated Magnus. The move like he sacrificed a queen against Magnus.
Yeah.
And he get another queen 2 steps later, and just see that.
So cool.
It's like amazed. Like,
yeah.
How do you even know that happened? So I think like the kids like Veritasium, right? You know the guy Veritasium?
Yeah.
3 blue and 1 brown?
Yep.
They didn't do thousands and thousands and thousands of math questions when they grow up. But they come up with crazier stuff.
Yeah.
Like how to look at something differently. And guess what? They're white. They're not Chinese. I mean, not like I just think about, like I told you before, I really think about Asian culture is training kids to become robot. And they kind of kids lost the passion on the way there. And that passion is what changed the status quo. The passion of enjoy math problem solving. I think Jared has really great potential because you look at things a lot of times with different perspective. And I think to look at you, I see a lot of different perspective. So perspective is really different. Like the other day I was telling you, it's sometimes not the solution matter, it's sometimes the question you pose that matter.
Yeah.
You guys think about helicopter and related array and freaking crazy stuff. And that's only thing can kind of break the status quo in the future, I think.
Yeah. Interesting.
But solving the problem is just enjoy to thinking about things differently.
Yeah.
And it's not to win first place or second place. It's just the passion of, hey, I enjoy this. I'm figure out. I enjoy this physics problem. And that's what I like you about you when you put you really your eyes wide opening when you talk about physics.
Yeah.
And you got excited. That's the thing. Those people don't get excited. Those people just like, oh yeah, I know how to solve this. This is this.
I'm you're the actually yeah. I agree.
So I think in long term, I think I will bet money on you, on anybody who's not trained that way. So I don't think that I want to train kids that way. You guys, I just let you guys do whatever your own thing. Enjoy like talking to each other, and that's where the math Olympic coach. He's a Chinese guy too. His name is Professor Roll, and he says that our problem solving is not get people together, teach them how to solve a problem. So he trained a math Olympia in the United States, but he says he never teach them how to solve a problem. He will bring them all in the room and just pose a question to them, and they figure out how to solve a problem. And that's the thing that you fall in love with, you know,
Yeah.
creativity, solving problem, and stuff like that. So, yeah. But I don't know. I look down on the Behold kids. Maybe I'm just jealous. No, I'm serious. I'm just being honest.
Thanks for another great Titan day. Students, you are now
Do you know how to complete a square?
Huh?
You take out the first coefficient, take the middle term, divide by 2 and square.
Were you talking about that?
Yeah, no,
What
I
are you
was
working on?
I was just talking to you now. Do you know how to teach it? Are you sure?
Yeah.
I've never seen it.
I don't want to
Let's-
teach you
let's
on.
Nah, yeah, me neither. Bro, I took this online and stuff. All I know is small. Where's were they?
And do you know how to graph this?
Nothing.
Yeah, I taught her that last time.
You did?
Yeah. Just the transcript.
Laxmi, you're a problem maker.
What do you mean? I already threw a football at Jaden.
Huh?
I already threw a football at Jaden.
Why? You don't deserve it?
Wait, what's that?
I don't know what I'm missing, but can you tell me about it? I don't remember.
What is this algebra?
Huh?
What is this?
It means 16 pi feet square, not square feet.
Oh, okay. I think the algebra test and I did like the root.
They don't participate.
I got like a 71 on the root. My original test score.
Okay, let me change it.
It's. I guess it's quiet. Because random people having small conversations about each lecture.
What period?
But most of them are saying it. But then, like, after he's done explaining, they have. Except when Luke comes.
What's your name?
He's
Miller?
switched up our class. He's still, Luke comes.
There's two Miller, Sean Miller and
Well, he
Avery.
switched to the period before.
Which test? Algebra test? 70 what? Okay. Wait, I cannot change it.
You need like.
I cannot change it.
Let's see, Sean. Let's see.
They say gray period is closed. What I can do is
Maybe this class.
Oh, yeah, that's why I explained. Get like.
why they don't let me change it?
It's not a request for being afraid of people.
They used to cannot do that. View score. I cannot change. What grade you have? What's the first period? First night week grade you have?
Use it today.
I forgot that one power because I just signed up. That's this week.
Very good.
Both of them? Well, there's not even
Your Asian,
what power?
average not it.
Maybe it was last week. There was
There was no wind power even last week. It was just flight. Oh.
Let's see if I can override a grade.
Oh wait, what?
They figured it out.
No, I
wait,
can
wait,
override a grade. What did you get out of your relay rate test?
I was there yesterday.
Wait, did you take it yet?
I did. Like I.
Oh,
Yay.
I'm gonna give it back.
alright.
I didn't back.
Maybe she's finally leaving.
I mean, can you go ask Tom for the key?
2 weeks. He's kind of getting irritated about it. So I was tutoring at Memorial last week.
Oh, praise the Lord.
He is in the mystery section.
I don't know. I asked the other lady too. She was kind of grouchy too. She's like, "I'm not supposed to open it for you." I'm like, "Dude, it's like we could go inside do drug or something." Okay. I'm. No, hold on a second. I don't have time yet. You have to go? Okay, go ahead and go. We'll figure out something out.
Yeah, I know that. Should I just wait if she comes up? Usually her mom messages me that she's coming in.
Did you message her? You can message her. Just say, she come in. If she's not coming, I can leave. Safa, just grab a chair, go outside, grab a board, and do it outside. I think they're being pretty paranoid, like we keep on asking to open the door. Oh, she's not coming today? Okay.
No, I didn't know that. But apparently, I just texted her mom. She's not coming. Are you homework though?
Yeah, I'm writing homework right now.
You're not coming today, Mr.
What did she say?
Said no, she's not doing well and has one time. Sorry.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna tell her like it's probably gonna lie on us back.
And she works.
132 out of 140.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
No, no.
I got a 94. Oh my god.
No, don't play like that, bro. Hold. I don't want to open that, bro.
I got the question.
No, you literally
Lead.
you can't talk about how you're failing.
Then I
No,
no, no. On the I think it's being able to know the concept and applying it to like the president will talk about the proposed the budget and then the Congress like ask them like raise it or not the civic department. No, like what are the how Congress has the power to do it's like it's a plan. There's four of them. One is a kind of my focus. So I'll give you like a graph or and the fourth one is like argument. From my first round, I skipped it.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So that is. We did 7 minutes for
One math,
Why not? Yeah.
Yeah, me neither. Not yet. I'm probably gonna do it next year. Okay, but it's not gonna be that bad. I have no idea.
kind of, yeah.
I probably have went to like not see that's why I do it next year now because it's not always I was just doing it and I just put it in the room, not always doing it.
I always
Does it look good?
like
You can buy stuff for next year. Wait, I can drive past the well, I just want to that's no. I do not. No, I say not. Physics is not. Physics and psychology.
Wednesday. That's because. Wednesday. October.
I'm not.
It's like a fun with
Easy, but I just don't like it.
Okay, so that was lunch.
How do I even?
What happened at lunch?
The light went out.
How do I even?
Sounds kind of scary.
Were you not here?
Probably so.
Huh?
Were you not here?
Lunch here?
It's supposed to be easy, but it's
The light did not went out. I wasn't here today.
You weren't here when the lights turned off.
No, it's not. When? Oh, flickering. I don't remember.
58.
What?
Are these the answers?
No, that's not an answer. That's an answer for today's, yesterday's homework. Later, hold on. I have to enter all the straight in there. Give me a second.
So what's the C stuff?
Ooh. I'm not done yet. Give me a second. I'm in the middle of something. Come back to me.
When I'm texting Chase, I use proper. Do you have allergies?
Yeah.
When I text Chase, I use proper grammar. Text does not, or Chase does not. Do you think it's weird of me to do that?
I don't know. Doesn't matter.
So I roll off of
Tony, can you look up the mean height?
I hate doing entering gray part.
Bro, no, what you did longer. I swear it only goes -4 elements. Wait, how do you do number 3?
You can do the same thing.
How do you do number 3?
I'm almost done.
Yeah, I think it's
Sorrow.
okay, there we go. No,
Corbin? Corbin? Irby? Your test. Corbin. Chase.
Oh, it's just a test?
Where did you get this candy?
Walmart.
You need the test?
No.
Once I was at a
For Josh to
and
never
we
take
all
a test.
it was me and my cousin and we just
Vincent. Madison. Okay, Giovanna here? No. Who else is here? Oh, Giovanna's here.
Oh, okay.
What? Yeah.
What number is it?
What?
What number is it?
45. Later, I'm sorry, I'm almost done. I'm done now.
Marco, me and Rob were like, we looked into them like.
Kyron, your test here. Well, let's what?
EBT is just, on for the.
It's in this pile, but don't mess up the order, please. Look for yours. Isabel, your test is here too. Isabel, your test is here too.
Marco, how many did Herding give you? What? How many did Herding give you? Like,
Yeah, that'll.
what's this tag, dude?
We can open the big tournament next year. Big tournament times 30.
What?
You have to like go on the gas. No,
I did both. If I can't find the jump, I'll play it. Like an actual.
Yeah, you.
The work will be fine. The whole unit circle.
Yeah, this is my highest best point.
Yep. And your dad want to talk to me.
Yeah, he wants me. He wants me to drop out.
They want you to drop out.
Yeah.
You want to stay or you want to drop out?
He is gonna go so low if I say
No comment. No comment. Huh? I have my reason to say that though.
Okay, Raj, let me know if you. I think my transcript and all that stuff is wrong. One folder. I got one. Yes, I meant like a double document. Your transcript. No, you're good. It's setting my equality. I didn't ask him like that.
so.
I might did Marco. If you did text it.
I thought that was the same thing as this.
So 40.
Matthew missed a factoring question. It's okay, Matthew. You know I just make fun of you.
I'm pretty sure I don't sound like I'm
Safa, homework is already posted. It's right here, first page. The second page is coming. It's in front of the screen.
Oh, never mind.
What?
You know it, I'm here.
But I'm
You forgot a chain rule. You forgot a chain rule. No.
Oh, I'm saying it too.
No, dumbass. Go ask Matt. Go ask Emil. Emil can yell at you. Emil. You need to whoop up ass. Go. Amir doesn't want to talk to you.
How is it not negative 1 or 2?
Did you do it inside?
I have to do that too.
The shake roll. My goodness. It's like eating like a plastic. Have you tried the fruit called lychee before? It's red outside. Not spicy. Reminiscent is actually pretty good. You know what I don't like? The what's that fruit called? Mangosteen?
Oh, mango stick. I love mango stick. You don't like?
It's like too like good. I think durian is worse. I will post later. You're supposed to have finished yesterday. You know, Madden got into Air Force Academy. I'm happy for him. He's gonna be one good cadet or sergeant. He's really calm. He doesn't really do not too high, not too low. He has like a very good personality for like a sniper. I can see him just sit there waiting for like 2 days to aiming for a shot. I really can see him do it. Of course, he's not gonna be a sniper. He's gonna be like a. What's going on? Where? Calm down, guys. What's going on?
All these folders are like the same color.
Yeah, so three down to.
I'm dumping off the fucking
You're right. Sorry.
Send me a link, bro. I'm gonna get this dog. Okay, sure.
Kind of sucks over there.
Why are we sus?
I don't know.
Why are we sus?
No.
My grandma's actually. So I don't think that Sam is
Can I get your signature to sign up for the class that I've
Almost finished. When I finished, you outside log off and you were.
I can write regular for. No, dude, I think these actually allow peers to write regular.
I know, like, you know, hold you right about me.
This is good too. I love Charlie. Wait, Marco?
So should I be very harsh? The parents. Oh, not you. No, I'm not interested about you. Very hostile.
Are you building common link right now?
Are you breathing?